talk about real stuff that teenagers actually deal with, but in a chill way.
And today we are talking about teen freedom.
Cause let's be honest, we all want freedom, but there are always rules too.
Before we start, let's introduce ourselves. I'm Arini and my partner.
And me, Reina Aprilia.
We are also joined by three friends today.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Niva.
Hello, I'm Keisha. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Lydia and I'm glad to be here. Freedom is something a lot of teenagers want.
But at the same time, we have rules from parents, school, and even society. So, do you think freedom is important for teenagers?
I think it's important because freedom is help teenagers learn who they are and what they like.
Yeah, I agree, and I think freedom is also a responsibility. So, as a teenager, we cannot do everything we want without thinking it wisely.
For me, freedom is important, but teenagers still need guidance because we are still learning.
If teenagers are given more freedom, what positive thing can come from it?
I think confidence, because as a teenager, when we can do whatever we want and we can make some choices, we can feel the confidence.
Also independence. You don't rely too much on others and learn to handle things yourself.
And you learn every choice has consequence, which is important.
But have you ever seen freedom go too far?
Yeah, a lot. Usually, when there's no control, people can get into that situation.
Yeah, especially with social media, if we cannot use it wisely and we can control it, we can get the negative impact of social media.
But sometimes teens want freedom but aren't ready for the responsibility that comes with it. What about rules? Do they help or just feel annoying? At first, they feel annoying, but over time, you realize some rules are there to protect you.
I think rules help as long as they make sense and aren't strict.
In my opinion, rules sometimes could be a problem when it comes without explanation. So I think communication is the key of the rules itself.
Do you think so set boundaries for teenagers?
I think parents play such a big role in setting boundaries for teenagers, but we as a teenager, we have to have a mindset that we need to control ourselves.
And the environment matter to friends and social media influence a lot.
I agree. That should be a discussion and not just a rules. From this discussion, it's clear that freedom isn't a simple thing.
It needs balance, freedom, responsibility, and communication. Thanks for listening to Teen Talk and see you in the next video. Bye!